a setting, in a crowd, there will always be anchors who would be nodding their head. And when kids get these concepts right, there will be a glittering in their eyes. Their eyelids will be moving fast and it will be opening wider, and you would have experienced that is a pleasure which cannot be compensated with any amount of salary. And that pleasure is the one which drives me forward. That being able to convey something effectively. But now I will come to the point. The point is that chemistry is regarded in public perception a hard subject, perhaps not so interesting subject, difficult to learn. There are many public perceptions about chemistry. At the same time, we also see public perception get reflected in movies, and there will be dialogues in movies, and oftentimes in recent years it is widely used that chemistry between us is good, cool, or not so good. Chemistry. So the word chemistry is increasingly coming in movies. Plus, another scenario where chemistry movie directors would like, public would like, is oftentimes the brewing of a new romance between the hero and heroine. There will be a chemistry background. In a chemistry lab, there is some, insanely stupid titration going on because of the color, and these are like titrating a base with a base, but very colorful. So chemistry is about color in public mind. Okay, chemistry is about color, and color is to do with romance. And these connections are involved, these thoughts are involved in public mind by using the power of the art part of chemistry that is all about colors. And colors in this country is meant for celebration. We are gearing up for Diwali, and it's a festival, and Holi and so on. So there are many festivals which are to celebrate